In this video, I'm going to show you how to view sensitive content on your Twitter. So unfortunately, for some weird, strange reason, Twitter will not allow you to adjust those settings on the Twitter app itself. What you're going to have to do is unfortunately go on a browser and do it that way. So what we can do is open up Safari and go ahead and log into your Twitter/X account on your browser. This can also be done on Google Chrome. So once you're here, what you can do is go to your profile at the top left corner and then scroll down until you see where it says settings and privacy. And then here you want to go to privacy and safety. And then from here, you want to focus on the section that says content you see. Now on the app, it won't give you some of these options, which is just very strange that you have to go through a browser. So from this point, you want to see where it says display media that may contain sensitive content, and you want to toggle that on. And if you want to go even deeper, you can go into search settings and then make sure that you toggle off hide sensitive content. So those are two ways that you can update your Twitter, and it updates automatically on the app itself. And that way you'll be able to see different types of content on your Twitter/X feed. So hope you guys found this helpful and useful, and we'll see you next time.